Hello students, let us discuss more formulas which are used in the integration tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1. If there is tan square and you have to find out its integration, its integrals, so we have to use the formula sec square x minus 1. Similarly, for cot square x, we can use formula cosec square x minus 1. If sin cube x will be there, then we have to use formula of sin 3x. Sin 3x equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Then 4 sin cube x equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Sin cube x equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. So for sin cube x, we have to use this formula to find out its integral. Similarly, for cos cube x, we have to use formula of cos 3x. Cos 3x equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Then cos 3x plus 3 cos x equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, transpose this side. Now cos cube x formula, cos 3x plus 3 cos x upon 4. Now student, formula of 2 sin A cos B. When sin and cos are given in the form of product, then we have to use this identity 2 sin A cos B equals to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A cos B equals to 2 will come this side in denominator, 1 upon 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This formula will be used when sin and cos are given in the form of product. Similarly, student, for cos into sin, 2 cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Cos A sin B equals to 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. For cos A cos B, student, the formula is 2 cos A cos B equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A cos B equals to 1 upon 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. For sin A sin B, we have to use formula 2 sin A sin B equals to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. And sin A sin B equals to 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So these all trigonometric identities, you have to remember. These identities will help us to find out integrals. So let us solve some questions related to these identities. Question number 1, find the antiderivative of tan square x by 2. So this is a sign of integration, tan square x by 2 dx. So for tan square x by 2, we have to use this formula. So the formula is sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. So we can write both of them separately. Integration sec square x by 2 dx minus integration of 1 dx. Correct? We know that the integration of sec square x by 2 is tan square x, tan x by 2. And the coefficient of x must come in denominator. So coefficient of x here 1 by 2. So its integration tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2. And one integral minus x plus c So it will become 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Okay students, so by the help of this identity tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1, we have calculated integration of tan square x by 2. Now students, one question of cube. So find the integral of sine cube x. So this is the integration sign, student, sine cube x dx. So for sine cube x dx, we have to use this formula of sine 3x. Sine 3x equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Then 4 sine cube x equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Sine cube x equals to 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon 4. Correct? So this formula we have to use here for sine cube x. 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon 4 dx. Using formula, we can write in the bracket sine 3x equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Now we have to write separately, student. So it will become 3 upon 4 integration of sine x dx minus 1 upon 4 integration of sine 3x dx. So sine x integration is minus cos x. So minus 3 upon 4 cos x, and sine 3x integration minus cos 3x. So minus and minus become plus 1 by 4 cos 3x upon 3 plus c. Okay. So its integration minus 3 upon 4 cos x plus 1 by 12, 3 4 is 12, cos 3x plus c. Okay students. So here we used sine 3x formula to calculate the integral of sine cube x. Okay student. Now let us take one more question. Evaluate integration of sine 3x into cos 4x. Sine and cos are given in the form of product. We have to find out its integration. So to find out its integration, students, we are going to use this formula 2 sine A cos B. So to get 2 here, we have to multiplying and dividing by 2. So 1 upon 2 I have written outside, and it will become 2 sine 3x cos 4x. 2 sine A cos B formula we have to use. This formula is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So 1 by 2 as it is. 2 sine A cos B formula, sine A plus B means sine 3x plus 4x. Because value of A is 3x and value of B is 4x. Correct? So sine 3x plus 4x plus sine A minus B. Sine A value 3x minus B value 4x. So 1 by 2, this is a sign of integration. It will become sine 7x dx plus sine minus x dx. So now we have to find out their integration. So sine x integration minus cos x. So sine 7x integration minus cos 7x upon 7. Because we know that the coefficient of x must come in denominator. So sine 7x integral is minus 7 cos x upon 7. Then sine minus x become minus sine x. That's why we have to write minus here. Now sine x integration minus cos x plus c. Now students, 1 by 2 as it is, minus cos 7x upon 7. This minus and this minus both become plus cos x plus c. Okay students, so today we have learned how can we find out the integration of the trigonometry function if they have square, if they have cube, and if they are given in the form of product. Okay students.